This is topic for MPPSC mains. uh, Geography. This is physiographical division of MP. So the MP can be divided physiographically in three parts. First, Central Highland. Second, Satpura Mackal Range. And third, Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand Plateau. First, Central Highland. Second, Satpura Mackal Range. And third, Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand Plateau. Further, Central Highland is divided into 5 regions. So within Central Highland there is Central India Plateau, second Bundelkhand Plateau, third Malwa Plateau, fourth Rivapanna Plateau or Vindhya region, and fifth Narmada Son Valley. Now we will learn these physiographical regions of MP one by one. First, let's take Central India Plateau. Central India Plateau, it is part of Central Highland. It is 10.68% of MP's total geographical area. 10.68%. 10.68%. And the rocks in Central India Plateau are Kadapa type, Vindhyan type, Deccan Trap type, Kadapa type, Vindhyan type, and Deccan Trap type, and new depositions. So actually in regions adjacent to Malwa Plateau, rock type is Deccan Trap, and region adjacent to Vindhyan or Rivapanna Plateau, it is Vindhyan type rock, and in areas where there are rivers, new deposition, and mainly it is Kadapa. Its location: in its north there is Yamuna Plain, in its east Bundelkhand, in its west is Rajasthan, and in its south is Malwa. Its topography: it is mainly plateau, so uneven, and slope is towards northeast. Drainage: uh, this region is drained by Chambal River and its tributaries. Chambal and its tributaries. Districts in Central India Plateau include Bhind, Morena, Gwalior, Shivpuri, Mandsaur, Guna, Neemach. Rainfall in this region is lowest in MP. It is less than 75 centimeter. Rainfall less than 75 centimeter. The climate is continental type. Continental type climate means extreme summer and extreme winter. Soil in Central India Plateau, in plain area the alluvial soil is found. In plateau area black soil is found. Ravines are also developed here due to high soil erosion of gully erosion type ravines. Forest type: thorny forest, because rainfall is less, their economic value is less. Example are sisham, teak, neem, khair, tendu, mahua, bamboo, grass. Agriculture, crops like wheat, jaw, oil seeds, sugar cane, jowar, bajra, but mainly the most important is wheat. 40% proportion is wheat. Irrigation is mainly canals and wells. Minerals in this region, central India Plateau region, is limestone, china clay, and building stones. Population density uh, is around 110 to 272 per kilometer square. 110 to 272 per kilometer square. Density is high in agricultural regions and it is low towards southwest. So density is higher in northeast and it decreases towards southwest. Density is higher in agricultural regions. Industry, cottage industry like handloom, china clay, uh, sugar plants are there like Dabra in Gwalior, Dabra sugar mill in Gwalior, Kailaras sugar mill in Morena. Dabra sugar mill Gwalior, Kailaras sugar mill Morena. Khair uh, industry of converting katha from khair in Shivpuri and in Banmore Morena. From khair to katha, industry is located, a factory is located in Shivpuri and Banmore Morena. So in Morena, Kailaras sugar mill and Banmore katha factory. This is very important. Kailaras sugar mill Morena and Banmore katha factory Morena. So this is again revision. In central India Plateau, the region covered are Morena, Bhind, Shivpur, Shivpuri, Guna, Neemach, Mandsaur. It is bounded by Malwa in south, Rajasthan in west, Yamuna Basin in north, and Bundelkhand Plateau in east. It covers 10.68% of total area of Madhya Pradesh. 10.68%. Relief is uneven, mainly plateau because north and mainly plateau, but north and northeastern part is plain. So this is something new. Mainly it is uneven relief and plateau, but north and northeastern part is plain. Slope is towards north and northeast. We have learned this. Geologically, it is formed by Kadapa range, Kadapa rock type, Vindhyan series, Deccan trap, and new deposition. This is very important. The rock type is very important. Kadapa, Vindhyan series, Deccan trap, and new depositions. Important rivers in this region: Chambal and its tributaries like Sindh, Parvati, Kumari, etc. Soil type. This is also important. Soil type is in plateau region it is black, in plains it is alluvial, and in some regions laterite. So plateau area black, plains alluvial, and in some areas laterite. Crops in this region: wheat, jowar, mustard, alsi, sesame. There are ravines, escarpments, geographical uh, landforms. If we say it, geographical landforms, then ravines, escarpments. Important river valley project is Chambal Valley project, which is oldest in India. And if vegetation in plateau, savanna vegetation, and otherwise thorny forest, dry deciduous forest. This is important. In it has thorny forest, dry deciduous forest, and savanna vegetation on plateau, savanna grassland, if you remember. And rain is less than 75 centimeter. The climate is continental type. This climate type is also called Chambal subtropical type. Continental climate, which is also called Chambal subtropical type. It means continental climate means the summer is very hot and winter is very hard. So severe extreme summer and extreme winter. Irrigation is mainly by wells and canals. Minerals, kaolin means chini ki mitti, kaolin, limestone, building stones. Occupation, agriculture, animal husbandry, timber, wood cutting. Population density decline towards southwest. Industry, cottage industry like handloom, toys, kaolin means chini ki mitti, kaolin. Sugar mill, Dabra and Calaris Morena. Cathu from Khair tree factories, Banmur, Shivpuri, Banmur Morena and Shivpuri. Then there are porcelain industry, it means chini ki mitti, porcelain industry, engineering industry, for example Malanpur industrial area. Biscuit, edible oil. Important cities are Gwalior, Bhind, Morena, Shivpuri. Tourist places are Madhu National Park, Ghatigaon National Park, and Saharia tribe is found here. Important, this is important. Saharia tribe and Malanpur industrial area, these are important. So this was Central India Plateau, which was part of Central Highland. Next geographical region is Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand. So in Bundelkhand, the rock type is granular and layered rocks of volcanic origin of Precambrian age. Granular and layered rocks of volcanic origin of Precambrian age. So the rocks here are of Precambrian age of volcanic origin, and they are granular and layered. Then also there is rock type of Bijawar series, Bijawar series and Vindhyan type. So mainly it is Bijawar series, and in region adjacent to Vindhya or Rivapanna plateau, it is Vindhyan series. So rock type is Bijawar series and Vindhyan series. Drainage, Ken, Betwa, Sindh, Dhasan. Rivers have very high velocity, so high erosion. Because of why high erosion? Because the region is mainly plateau, raised plateau of Bundelkhand, so velocity of drainage is fast, and also there is forest cover is very low. Climate is continental type. Climate is continental type. It means extreme summer, extreme winter in Bundelkhand. In Bundelkhand, precipitation is 75 to 100 centimeter. 75 to 100 centimeter. Irrigation is underdeveloped. Soil type is mix. It means black, red, yellow. Black also, red, yellow also. Vegetation type. Low vegetation cover, and the vegetation type is dry deciduous forest. Vegetation cover is low. Minerals, not minerals mean diamond, sand mines, not very significant. Other than this, not very significant. Agriculture: wheat, oilseeds, jowar. In Bundelkhand, northern region is more developed because of alluvial soil and rivers. Agriculture is also more developed in northern side because of the same region, alluvial soil and rivers. Density of the population, or population distribution: rural population is more. Occupation: agriculture, animal husbandry. Density: 123 to 186 per kilometer square, per square kilometer. 123 to 186. Then transport: road, rail. Tourist places: Khajuraho, Chanderi, Orcha. Next is Bundelkhand. Oh, next, this was Bundelkhand. Sorry, this was Bundelkhand. Next is Malwa Plateau. Location of Malwa Plateau: southern part of Malwa Plateau is higher. In Bundelkhand also, remember, the highest uh, peak of Bundelkhand Plateau is Siddha Baba. In Malwa Plateau, location: southern part is higher. In Malwa Plateau, southern part is higher. The highest peak is Sigar, and slope is towards northeast. Rock type in Malwa Plateau: Deccan Trap of volcanic origin. Soil: black. Also, there are subtypes of black: shallow black, deep black. Shallow black, deep black, and shallow black, deep black, ordinary black. The largest proportion is ordinary black is largest proportion. We learn this in soil. Climate of Malwa Plateau is moderate climate. Moderate climate. Monsoon rain from Arabian Sea branch. Rainfall in Malwa Plateau 125 centimeter. Forest type of Malwa Plateau: teak, tendu, salai. Teak, tendu, salai. Crops in Malwa Plateau: wheat, soybean, cotton, corn. Soybean, cotton is important. Population: high density because of urban developed centers, cities like Bhopal, Indore. Industrial area is also there, so population is high. Industry: it is hub of industry, textile industry. Synthetic fiber in Nagda, Ujjain. Synthetic fiber in Nagda, Ujjain, this is important. Synthetic fiber industry in Nagda, Ujjain. Heavy electricals in Bhel, Bhopal. Then Pithampur industrial area is there. In tourism, Bhimbetka, Dhar, Mandu, Bagh caves, Sanchi, Udaygiri, Ujjain. Minerals: no mineral is found here. This is important. In Malwa, no minerals is found. Rivers: Chambal, Shipra, Kali Sindh, Parvati, Betwa. Next is Riva Panna Plateau. Next physiographical division is Riva Panna Plateau. So Riva Panna Plateau, if you see location, north, in its north is Bundelkhand, east, in its east is Baghelkhand, in its south is Narmada Valley, districts Panna, Damoh. Its southern part is Bhandir Kaimur Hills. So this is Bhandir Kaimur Hills is part of Riva Panna Plateau. Bhandir Kaimur Hills is eastern part of Vindhyachal range, and Bhandir Kaimur Plateau is also the southern part of Kaimur Hills. And this Bhandir Kaimur Hills is also water divide between Ganga and Narmada. Bhandir Kaimur Hills is water divide between Ganga and Narmada. Also, this southern part of Riva Panna Plateau, which is Vindhyachal range, this Vindhyachal range divides drainage system of north and south. Vindhyachal range divides the drainage system of north and south. This Vindhyachal range is part of Riva Panna Plateau. Climate of Riva Panna Plateau is continental type. It means extreme summer, extreme winter. So climate of central India Plateau and Bundelkhand and Riva Panna Plateau, all three climate is continental type, while in Malwa it was moderate. Rainfall in Riva Panna Plateau is 125 centimeter. So the lowest rainfall in central India Plateau and Malwa region. Then uh, it it is higher comparatively in Bundelkhand and even higher in Riva Panna Plateau. In central India Plateau, the rainfall is less than 75 centimeter, and in Bundelkhand it is 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter, and in Riva Panna Plateau it is 125 centimeter. The temperature in summer in Riva Panna Plateau is 40 to 42 degrees Celsius. Rock type soil vegetation in Riva Panna Plateau. So soil is red yellow soil, which is in Hindi called domat mitti, red yellow soil. Rock type is Vindhyan rock type. Forest are teak forest, mainly teak forest. 30 to 40% forest are teak forest. Teak means sagon, and also there are khair, tendu, bamboo. So mainly dry deciduous forest. Industry, cement industry in Satna, Maihar, Kaimur, Satna, Kaimur, Katni, cement industry, diamond industry in Panna. Population, mainly rural population, or rural population is high, density is low because geography is uneven, plateau area, so density is low. Tourist places, Maihar, Masharda, Chitrakoot, Sri Ram, Panna, wildlife, Satna, waterfall, Chachai cavity, etc. River drainage system of Riva Panna Plateau, Cane, Tones, Soan, Cane, Tones, Soan. Minerals, limestone in Satna, diamond in Panna, Geru or ochre, silica, sand, sillimanite. Agriculture, wheat, rice, jowar, oil seeds. Next is Satpura Mekal range. Satpura Mehkal Range. Satpura Mehkal Range location. It is Satpura Mehkal Range is triangular in shape. Satpura Mehkal Range, triangular in shape. In north, in its north is Narmada Son Valley. In its northeast is Baghelkhand. In its southeast is Chhattisgarh. In its south is Maharashtra. The subparts of Satpura Mehkal Range: Badwani Hills, Bijalgarh Hills in Khandwa, Bijalgarh Hills, Bijalgarh Hills, Khandwa, Mahadev Hills. Dhupgarh is located in Mahadev Hills. Districts of Satpura Mehkal Range are Mantla, Dindori, Balaghat, Sivni, Chhindwara, Betul, Harda, Khandwa, Khargoon, Badwani. Drainage system: Narmada, Tapi, Godavari. Population: in west higher, in east lower. Occupation: forest produce, mining. Transport not well developed because of uneven topography. Railway less developed. Next is Baghelkhand. Baghelkhand, its location: in its south is Satpura, in its west is Narmada Valley, in its east is Chhattisgarh Plain, in its northwest is Riva Panna Plateau, in its north is UP. Districts in Baghelkhand Plateau or Eastern Plateau: Sidhi, Katni, Umaria, Shahdol, Singrauli, Satna, Anuppur, Umaria. Drainage: Son and tributaries. Tributaries of Son are Johila, Banas, Rihand. Son, Johila, Banas, Rihand. Rock type: Adya Mahakalp rock type of Jurassic age. Rock type: Gondwana rock. Jurassic age: Adya Mahakalp, yeah, Precambrian. Rock type is Precambrian rocks and Gondwana rocks of Jurassic age. This is very important. In Baghelkhand or Eastern Plateau, rock type is Precambrian rocks and Gondwana rocks of Jurassic age. Climate: monsoon type. This is important. In Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand Plateau, climate is monsoon type. It's not continental type. It is monsoon type. Monsoon type, it means summer is extreme. Winter is moderate. Monsoon type climate in Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand Plateau. It means summer is extreme, winter is moderate. Soil: red yellow soil. Forest cover is high. This is important. In Baghelkhand, forest cover is high, 50% of land. Trees: sal, teak, tendu. Transport: undeveloped, uneven topography. Industry: coal, tourism, power plants, paper mills, jute mills. In coal: Singrauli, Johila, Badhan, Jhilmil, Sohagpur. This is important. Coal industry is developed in Sohagpur, Singrauli, Badhan, Johila, Jhilmil. Power plant like Amarkantak power plant, paper mill, Amlai paper mill, jute mill, Ramgarh jute mill. Agriculture: rice. So this was first part. Yeah, so next is Narmada Son Valley. Districts covered are Jabalpur, Mandla, Narsinghpur, Raisen, Hoshangabad, East West Niman, Devas, Dhar, Jhabua. Narmada Son Valley. Narmada Son Valley is part of Central Highland. Remember this. Part of Central Highland. Narmada Son Valley is part of Central Highland. This is important. And district include Jabalpur, Mandla, Narsinghpur, Raisen, Hoshangabad, East West Niman, Devas, Dhar, Jhabua. Rock type is Deccan Trap type. Deccan Trap type in Narmada Son Valley. Soil type is deep black or dark black. Climate monsoon type. So this is important. In Narmada Son Valley, climate is monsoon type, and Eastern Plateau or Baghilkhand climate is monsoon type. Monsoon type means mild winter, hot summer. Agriculture in Narmada Valley, wheat, cotton. In Son Valley, rice. Forest 30% area is forest, so high forest cover, good forest cover at least. Teak, sal, salai, tendu, jamun, aam. Minerals in Narmada Valley, marble, manganese, fire clay. And in Son Valley, limestone, coal. Why coal? Because remember in Baghelkhand, the rock type is Gondwana rock type of Jurassic Age. Population in Narmada Valley, population higher, Son Valley lower. Transport, Narmada Valley more developed transport, Son less developed. Industry, mining, kaolin industry, or that is called chini mitti, glassware. Now let's revise again. So we had learned that physiographical division of MP. When we learn the physiographical division of MP, physiographically India is MP. MP is divided into three parts. First is Central Highland, second is Satpura Mekal Range, and third is Eastern Plateau. In Central Highland, there are further five subdivisions. One, Riva Panna Plateau. First is Central India Plateau. Second, Riva Panna Plateau. Third, Malwa Plateau. Fourth, Bundelkhand Plateau. And fifth, Narmada Son Valley. So remember, this is important that Central Highland is large set and Central India Plateau is its subset. And also Narmada Son Valley is part of Central Highland. So Narmada Son Valley and Central India Plateau are part of Central Highlands. Then Satpura Mekal Range has two subdivisions, Satpura Range, Mekal Range, and third is Eastern Plateau obviously. Percentage wise, if we see, the largest part is Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is 28% of Madhya Pradesh. 28% of Madhya Pradesh. Is highest peak of Malwa Plateau is Sigar Peak. Then second largest is Narmada Valley. Narmada Valley is 26% of Madhya Pradesh. Malwa Plateau is 28%. Narmada Valley is 26% of Madhya Pradesh. Then third is Central India Plateau. Central India Plateau, that is 10.68%. Fourth is Riva Panna Plateau. It is 10.37%. So almost close to Central India Plateau, but Central India Plateau is higher, little bit higher, 10.68%. Riva Panna Plateau is 10.37%. Then Uh, and third actually is Satpura Maikal range. Satpura Maikal range is 11% of Madhya Pradesh. So first is Malwa Plateau 28%, second Narmada Valley 26%, third Satpura Maikal range 11%. Its highest peak is Dhupgarh in Mahadev Hills. Fourth is Central India Plateau 10.68%. Fifth is Riva Panna Plateau 10.37%. Sixth is Bundelkhand Plateau 7.7%. Smallest physiographical region of Madhya Pradesh is Baghelkhand. Smallest is Baghelkhand, only 7%. Smallest is Baghelkhand, 7%. So let's revise it again. It's important. Largest is Malwa Plateau, 28%. Second, Narmada Valley, 26%. Third, Satpura Maikal Range, 11%. Fourth, Central India Plateau, 10.68%. Fifth, Riva Panna Plateau, 10.37%. Sixth, Bundelkhand Plateau, 7.7%. And seventh and smallest, Baghelkhand Plateau, 7%. So if we see the physiographical division of MP is part of Peninsular Plateau. MP is part of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau has two parts: Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So MP is mainly part of Central Highland. And other two parts of MP are Eastern Plateau, that is Baghelkhand, that and that is part of, and third is Satpura Maikal Range, which is part of Deccan Plateau. Because Narmada River is the divide between Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So Satpura Maikal Range is part of Deccan Plateau. If we see uh, India, so Madhya Pradesh is physiographically divided into three parts: Central Highland, and second is Satpura Maikal Range, and third is Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand Plateau. Among this, Central Highland is the largest. It's two-third of total area of MP. Central Highland is two-third of total area of MP. In Bundelkhand Plateau, there are some more facts. In Bundelkhand Plateau, if we rock type we see in Bundelkhand Plateau, we had learned that rock type is Bijawar rock type and Vindhyan rock type mainly. Also, this is mainly in south and west part of Bundelkhand. So in south, in rock type, there are further subdivisions that we can do. In rock type, south and west Bundelkhand is Bijawar and Vindhyan rock type. South and west Bundelkhand is Bijawar and Vindhyan rock type. North part of Bundelkhand is alluvial rock type, and central part is granite gneiss. So, northern part of Bundelkhand alluvial, central part granite gneiss, and south and west part of Bundelkhand is Bijawar and Vindhyan rock type. In Bundelkhand, uh, also found Mehroni type rocks. Mehroni type rocks. So, if question is asked, Mehroni rock type is associated with which physiographical region? Then it is Bundelkhand. Mehroni rock type, Bundelkhand. This is important. In Bundelkhand, hottest month is May. And vegetation cover is very low in Bundelkhand. High level of deforestation, only 14.3%. 14.3% of total area is forest cover. So, Madhya Pradesh has, in MP, Bundelkhand region has only 14.3% forest cover. Very important. 14.3% forest cover. High level deforestation. Forest type tropical dry deciduous. Important place is Orcha, capital of Bundela. Now, more facts about Malwa Plateau. In Malwa Plateau, climate is moderate type. Now there are some doubts. Please check it. In one source, I have seen the climate type of Malwa. Malwa climate is moderate type climate, means moderate summer, moderate winter. But in Hindi Grantha Akademi Madhya Pradesh government book, please recheck it. They say that Malwa Plateau climate or climate in Malwa Plateau is tropical monsoon. Tropical monsoon. It means same as Baghelkhand and Narmada Valley, Narmada Son Valley. Tropical monsoon, which has element of dry continental. So please check it. They say in the Granth Academy, climate of Malwa, tropical monsoon, means both monsoon type and dry continental type. Tropic monsoon type and continental type. The hottest month is May. Rainfall from Arab Sagar branch. This is important. Rainfall in Malwa Plateau from Arab Sagar branch. Rainfall reduces towards west. From east to west, rainfall reduces. From southeast to northwest Malwa, rainfall reduces. From southeast to northwest Malwa, southeast rainfall is higher, southeast Malwa, and northwest Malwa rainfall is less. This is important. Rainfall reduces from southeast to northwest. Industry, cotton, textile, Pithampur industrial area in Dhar, Mandideep, Raisen, Nagda, synthetic fiber, Ujjain, Bhel, Bhopal. This is important. Industry, Pithampur, Raisen, Mandideep, Pithampur, Dhar, Mandideep, Raisen, Bhel, Bhopal, Nagda, Ujjain synthetic fiber. Highest peak of Malwa, Sigar. Other peaks of Malwa, Janapao, Dhajari. This is important. Highest peak, Sigar. Other peaks of Malwa, Janapao, Dhajari. Now, Riva Panna Plateau or Vindhyan Plateau. Some more facts. It has Chachai Fall, Kekato Falls, Chachai Falls, Kekato Falls. Rainfall decreases from southeast to northwest. Highest temperature in May, summer temperature 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. Forest cover is high, 30 to 40%. Industry, Tendupatta, Bidi, cottage industry. Irrigation by canal, wells. Soil type in west, Rivapanna Plateau or Vindhyan Plateau, black soil, red black mix, and rest area red yellow sandy soil. So in western part of Rivapanna Plateau, black soil, red black mix, and the rest of the part red, yellow, and sandy soil. Then is Narmada Son Valley, monsoon type climate, variation in temperature and rainfall in east and west. Temperature and rainfall, temperature is lower in east, higher in west. Rainfall higher in east, lower in west. Rainfall decreases from east to west. Soil, dark black soil. Forest cover very good, 30%. In Rivapanna Plateau also 30 to 40%. In Narmada Son Valley also 30%. Forest type in eastern part moist deciduous, middle dry deciduous, west thorny scrub vegetation. This is important. So in Narmada Son Valley would be variation because it is a long strip from east to west. So in everything there would be variation. Vegetation also in east it is moist deciduous, central dry deciduous, or middle dry deciduous, and in western Narmada part of Narmada Son Valley is, the vegetation is thorny scrub vegetation. Similarly, in crops in Narmada Valley, wheat cultivation, and in Son Valley, rice cultivation. Important projects in Narmada Son Valley, Rani Avantibai Sagar project or Bargi project, Jabalpur, and then Tawa project, and many other. All the projects on Narmada River. Minerals, limestone, fire clay, Geru or ochre, marble, manganese. This is found. These all found in Narmada Valley, and coal and limestone is found in Son Valley. Transport better developed in Narmada Valley, less developed in Son Valley. Rail network is mainly largely absent in Son Valley. Industry, cement. In Narmada Son Valley, industry is cement industry, rubber mining, etc. Important cities in Narmada Valley, Jabalpur, Hoshangabad, Narsinghpur, Khandwa, Khargone. In Son Valley, Seedhi. Eastern Plateau or Baghelkhand. has important coal fields because rock it has rock type of Gondwana rocks of Jurassic age. Rock type Gondwana rocks of Jurassic age and Archean rocks. Archean rocks. It was not Precambrian rocks. Sorry, Adya Mahakalp means Archean rocks. Archean rocks. Forest cover 30 to 40%. Very good. So Narmada Son Valley, Rivapanna Plateau, and Baghelkhand. Good forest cover, 30 to 40%. And it has important coal fields, important tribes like coal, and it is the Baghelkhand Plateau is water divide between Son and Mahanadi. This is important, very important. Baghelkhand is water divide between Son and Mahanadi. Climate type is monsoon climate, and Tropic of Cancer divides it. Summer humid hot, winter moderate dry. Rainfall 125 centimeter. Soil black, red, yellow, rocky. Forest type deciduous. The next is Satpura Maikal range. Satpura Maikal range. Satpura Maikal range. Important is it is triangular in shape. Satpura Maikal range. Triangular in shape. Two parts, Western Satpura, Eastern Satpura. Western Satpura is west of Burhanpur Pass. West of Burhanpur Pass is Western Satpura. Population in Satpura Maikal range increases from east to west. Irrigation well developed. Transport, transport not well developed. Important hills of Satpura Maikal range: Badwani Hills, Bijalgarh Hills, Khandwa, Mahadev Hills, and Kali Bheet Hills. Important rivers: Venganga, Vardha, Gar, Sakkar, Choti Tawa. Wildlife: white tiger in Satpura Maikal range. Thermal power plant. No, this is something. White tiger. Oh, this is about Baghelkhand. In Baghelkhand, remember, white tiger is found. White tiger. Baghelkhand, white tiger. So that was it. If we see rainfall distribution of MP, there are four regions: less than 75 centimeters, second is 75 to 100 centimeter, third is 100 to 125 centimeter, and fourth is above 125 centimeter. So first is less than 75 centimeter is Central India Plateau and Malwa Plateau, less than 75 centimeter. This is very low. Then second is below average, 75 to 100 centimeter. 75 to 100 centimeter. This is Vindhyan region, Rivapanna Plateau, and some part of Bundelkhand. Below average, 75 to 100 centimeter. mainly Bundelkhand 75 to 100 centimeter. Then average 100 to 125 centimeter. This is Riva Panna Plateau and Narmada Son Valley, etc. 100 to 125 centimeter. And then 125 to 150 centimeter is south southeast part, more than 125 centimeter. And one more region is excessive rainfall region, very high. For example, Pachmadhi, very high excessive rainfall. So first is very low, less than 75 centimeters. Second is below average, 75 to 100 centimeter. Third is average, 100 to 125. Fourth is more than 125. Very low is mainly central India plateau. Below average, 75 to 100 centimeter is Bundelkhand. Average 100 to 125 centimeter is Narmada Son Valley and Riva Panna plateau. And above average is southeast part. In the next chapter, we will learn about the climate of MP, seasons of MP, important hills, rock type, etc. Thank you.